Oh, dang it. It's June 12th. McGuire's rolling over. I don't even have time to get the camera. I don't even have time to get the camera. Look at you. Come here. Come here, Doodlebug. Come here. Okay, let's show everybody what a big boy you are. Okay, stay right like that. Okay. Okay, do it, McGuire. Yay! Go, go, go! Good job, Doodlebug. You are so good. Yay! What do you see? Get it. Can you get it? Oh, you want to put it in your mouth, don't you? Let's roll over again, okay? Here comes Daddy. Let's show him how we do it. Moana?
You roll from front to back now?
Yeah, that's what he's doing.